In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule appointments with Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a polished, bookable event that matches your style and availability. First, go to Calendly and open your scheduling dashboard. This is where all of your event types live. From here, click Create to start something new. Think of this as the foundation for the experience you want your invitees to have, from how long you'll meet to how and when they can book you. Next, choose event types. This tells Calendly what kind of meeting you're offering. If it's a simple one-on-one, pick that. If you expect multiple people in the same time slot, a group style may be better. Choose the option that best reflects how you plan to meet because it affects how bookings are handled. Now, type in the meeting name. Keep it clear and action-oriented, like intro consultation or project check-in. You can also add a concise description that sets expectations, what's covered, who it's for, and any preparation your guests should do. If there's an event link or color option, choose something memorable and on brand to make your page look professional. Choose the duration next. Common picks are 15, 30, or 60 minutes, but feel free to set a custom length. Be realistic about how long you need, especially if you want time for notes afterward. Shorter meetings are great for quick syncs. Longer slots help you avoid rushing complex conversations. Then choose the location. You can select a video tool, a phone call, or an in-person address. If you're using a conferencing app, pick it here so the join link is automatically added to calendar invites. For phone or in-person meetings, make it crystal clear who initiates the call or exactly where to meet. After that, choose your availability. Set the days and times you want to offer, and fine-tune rules like minimum scheduling notice, time increments, and buffers before or after meetings. This is where you protect your focus time and avoid back-to-back fatigue. Calendly detects time zones for invitees, so they'll always see the right options. If you plan to charge for the meeting, choose payment. Enable collection, set the amount and currency, and add a short note explaining what's included. This reduces no-shows and keeps expectations clear. Next, confirm the host. If it's just you, select yourself. If you're part of a team, assign the appropriate host to make sure bookings route correctly. Finally, click Create. Your event is now live and ready to share whenever you're ready to start booking.